Let's have a look at some advanced function that we can do with shapes. So, for example, I can design something like this, then something like this, and I can group them, Ctrl G, but as you can see, those are still three different shapes, not combined together. They are just grouped together. If I ungroup, I can go and see the function that I can do in order to combine different shapes in my design. So I can go to Path and choose Path Union. And now what you can see, it's that I have one single complex shape that I create from simple shapes that I had. I can also create something that is the opposite of this. I can create something with a hole. So I select design two shapes, two circles, and I go to Path, Difference. And what you can see here is that I have a shape with a hole. There are different combinations that I can use. Let's see what happens. For example, I just designed two random shapes. I select them all, and then I can do Path, Intersection, and I get, you see, only the section that was common between the two ellipses. Undo, intersection, and now let's see, let's try the other one. Path, Exclusion, and you see, this is just the opposite. And now Division, it just cut everything else compared to the area of the first shape. Path, Combine, and then Path, Break Apart, of course, gives me back Then I also can use Path, Cut Path. So I have the shape that it has been cut along the other shape. So let's see this one, because I think this could be useful. So I create one shape like this, and then another shape like this. I select them all, and then Path, Cut Path. And you see that it has been cut.